Here I have two Facebook official app logged into my account. I have one account logged in here, and here you will find the another account. In this video I am going to show you how you can use two Facebook account in one phone. You know, we can install Facebook official app once in our phone. After watching this video, you will be able to use two official Facebook app with two different account in just one phone. Watch the video to learn. Here you will find the Facebook app. Tap and hold the Facebook app and tap on App Clone. Your Facebook official app will clone. Then tap on the Clone official app, and here insert the login credentials to access another account. I am typing my mobile number or email and password. Tap on login. It will take some time to log in. Approve your login another device or use the login code. Then access all the permissions you want, and you are now logged in. Friends, you can see, let me show you one more time. Here I have two Facebook official app logged into my account. I have one account logged in here, and here you will find the another account. By this way you can use two different account with Facebook official app in just one phone. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Subscribe the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.